All right, today we are going to be doing a comparison video to see if the Booker's Infinite is worth the price tag. On the left here, we have the Little Book, Chapter 7. This is the 2023 release, and it's coming in at 118.1 proof. This is the Booker, the Infinite. This is the 2024, Little Book Infinite. It's the 2024 release, and this is coming in at 119.3 proof.
About 3 proofs higher.
Math much?
What?
118.1?
And that was 123?
No. 119.3.
Oh, about a point difference.
Fail.
I heard the wrong numbers, apparently.
Yeah. All right. Well, Mary's going to pour up the Chapter 7. I'm going to pour up the Infinite.
Beautiful nose right out the bottle. Sniff, sniff, sniff.
Mm-hmm. There you go. All right. So.
Yours is flip-flop to mine. Yours is flip-flop compared to mine.
Well, this is what you poured up. That's what I poured up. So these are correct.
Oh. I stand corrected.
That's amazing. All right. We're going to start with the Little Book Chapter 7. Coming in at 118 proof. The viscosity on it is very, very nice. Coats the glass well. Has a really good color.
The nose is a combination of baking spices and fruit notes.
Yep. Plus you get that oak impact on it as well.
Like kind of a plum.
Wow, this is really good nose.
It's not too bad on ethanol. It's there.
It's a little there,
not bad.
But I mean, that's to be expected at almost 120 proof.
Right.
But yeah, brown sugar, getting the oak.
That's got a beautiful coating in the legs.
All right, so Little Book Chapter 7. Wow. That's a flavor bomb.
It's not a heavy coat, but it draws. It's a little drying. It makes your mouth water. Oh my gosh. The finish.
Oh, yeah.
Some brown sugar. Like when we crack it.
The creme brulee. Yeah, that caramelized sugar.
Yes.
Definitely getting the vanilla notes.
Kind of creme brulee-ish.
Yeah, kind of.
It's just, it doesn't have that texture.
Right.
Like a lot of bourbons have, where they're just a little creamier on the mouth. This one's it's not as creamy on the mouth. It's not watery, but it's thinner.
All right. Going back to the nose and palate. Everything that we were talking about on the palate is transferring to the nose as well.
It's so drying. Even my teeth are dry. But then there's that cinnamon, brown sugar.
Yeah. And you get that peanut, not like peanut butter, like, peanut shells. That smell of the peanut shells, like that one restaurant we used to go to, and they would throw the shells on the floor.
Santa Fe.
Yep, it's like that. That smell, that earthy.
Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't pick that up right away. I'm just getting more baking spice.
Mm-hmm. All in all, it's a very pleasant pour.
It is.
Very good pour.
It's good.
All right. Now, let's see how the Infinite holds up. Definitely darker in color.
Palate cleanse.
You got to reset.
Mm-hmm. What Sprite Zero? Oh.
Very thick coating. It's just hanging out. It's not even trying to make legs. It's like
I'm getting
daring
legs,
you.
but it's still got a thick ridge line.
Mm-hmm.
But the nose is a little softer on this one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
This
that's candy.
This is like a vanilla cream soda on the nose.
I get that.
Like the IBC vanilla cream soda. Oh my gosh.
At first I was kind of thinking, is that caramel?
No, that's straight up
it's the vanilla soda.
vanilla cream soda.
Oh my goodness. This could be dangerous.
Oh, I have a feeling
if it drinks the way it smells, this will be very dangerous.
Well, one way to find out. Cheers.
Cheers. Mm.
Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it drinks like it smells. Oh my.
It's drying, but on
not
the palate,
not as drying as this one.
Ooh, here comes the heat.
Oh yeah.
Not down the chest, not in the throat, just in the mouth. Cinnamon on the palate. That is a vanilla
cream soda.
Oh my gosh, that is dangerous.
And the thing is too, I'm not getting any of that dry peanut shell like I did on the chapter 7.
Not on the mouth, but on the finish, it is drying and it's very cinnamon forward to me.
Yeah, it is. But I mean that note, like just the peanut shells, you know, that dry, earthy and stuff. I'm not getting that.
It's not. No,
This is just very sweet. I mean,
oh my gosh, it's a dessert in a freaking glass, is what it is.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. It's good.
Yeah, by far one of my favorite little books. This is outstanding.
This is by far one of my most favorite pours.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, that is so freaking good. Until that back hits you, then that heat kind of comes in.
It's so well balanced, which you don't hear a lot of when it comes to Booker's or Little Book. But this one is fantastic. It's phenomenal.
It's my new favorite.
Yeah.
I do still like the George T. Stagg and Stagg.
Yeah.
But this just raised the bar on a lot of bourbons and whiskeys.
Oh, yeah. If you guys have been sleeping on this, you know, or shied away because of the price tag, definitely go to a bar and get you a pour and try it, because you'll be like me, running out grabbing a bottle for yourself. The finish is still going for me right now, and it's straight up vanilla cream soda.
Go back to 1. I get apple pie.
No, I'm getting straight up the peanut shell, the dry peanut shell, raw shell.
I guess from the cinnamon of this one, When I go back to this one, I straight up get apple freaking pie.
Well, taste it and see if you get it on the palate.
Mm-hmm. Fruit and cinnamon on the palate now. Ooh, with a whole lot of heat on the backside.
Oh yeah, it's coming out swinging.
That one on the backside, but on the nose and on the palate after tasting that one. And that's why I took another sip of that one and went back to this one. And it's just an apple pie in a glass.
I still prefer the Infinite.
Not like a super sweet one, like when you go to McDonald's and you get the apple pie.
I don't know. I hadn't had one in so long.
Get with our son. He brings them in all the time.
Yeah, and if you try and get too close, you'll come back with a nub.
He usually tosses one to me.
But
it's a good pour.
It is. It's a really good pour. Don't take me wrong. It's not a bad pour. But for overall, you know, which one?
I would definitely go with this one more so. But after having a sip of that, going back to this is freaking delightful.
Mm-hmm.
This is good. And give me an apple pie with a scoop of vanilla ice cream a la mode.
Okay. On this one, anything hearty and rich, I'll go with either one of them. This one is so good, I would save it for after dinner with a good cigar. I'd take the pour and sip it very lightly throughout dinner, and then really enjoy it with the cigar afterwards.
I would pair this with dinner. Give me a steak.
Mm-hmm.
Earthy vegetables.
Mm-hmm.
And then after I finish this with my main course, bring me dessert. Bring me an apple pie a la mode in this pour for dessert. And maybe a vanilla cigar to go with after dessert. And I'm still sipping on the pour.
She's not a cheap date.
All of which you could get at Bog and Barley.
Not these.
The food.
Oh, yeah, the food, but not the pours.
We just have to bring our pours in with us. As long as we get a pour from them, I don't think they care. We know them pretty well over there.
Well, Mary.
This is amazing on the nose now. I like this for a dessert, but I like this with dinner. I like them both. I can't choose.
Well, in case you guys haven't heard, we're getting really close to 100 subscribers on this channel, which means you are going to have an opportunity to win this Buffalo Trace store pick. The entire bottle, not a sample. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the content or you have ideas for new content, drop a comment down below. We answer every one of them.
And we'd like to hear what y'all have to think or what you have to say about it. Did you get a different perspective than what we did? Maybe a lot of it could be what we had for dinner. I don't know. But I'd like to hear what your pairing ideas would be as well.
All right. Well, I think that's going to do it for this evening. So we're going to bid you guys farewell in our usual way.
We've only got this one life to live.
So let's make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey. So until next time, our friends.
Cheers.
Cheers.